Hi and welcome to this Key Learning Initiative video. Today's topic is finance and we're specifically looking at VAT. So before we get going, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Any comments are always great, so please leave them in the comment section. But otherwise also like and share so that more and more people can see the content. But let's get going. We use VAT in South Africa at 15%. For those people that are watching the videos that are not in South Africa, your VAT might be a different percentage. So whatever percentage it is, please use that. But in South Africa, it's 15%. Let's get going. Selling price without VAT to selling price with VAT. And this is how we do it. Our steps: calculate the VAT, and as I said, it's 15%. Then we add that 15% to the original price. Let's look at an example. The selling price of a pair of shoes without VAT is 150 Rand. Calculate the selling price with VAT. Okay, so our first step, we have to calculate 15%. So how do we do that? Well, we write down the selling price without VAT. We multiply by 15% because it's VAT. 15%. And that equals, you put it in your calculator, you press equals, and you get 22 Rand 50. The second step is that we add that to our selling price without VAT. So 150 plus 22 Rand 50, and that gives us a total of 172 Rand and 50 cents. Notice, I'll calculate the 15% VAT and then I add it to the original price. Alright, now we move to the selling price with VAT to calculating the selling price without VAT. So we're doing it the other way round. Now the steps are slightly more complicated, but there's just two of them. Let's have a look. Our steps: calculate the VAT using the formula below. VAT equals selling price times 15 over 115. Alright, so VAT equals the selling price times 15 over 115. Once we've got the VAT, we then subtract it from the selling price with VAT, and we'd get the selling price without VAT. Let's look at an example and see how this works. Example 2. The selling price with VAT of a pair of shoes is 500 Rand. Calculate the selling price without VAT. We now use our formula, VAT, and that equals, my selling price is 500 Rand, multiply it, and then by 15 over 115. We put that in our calculator, we press equals, and hopefully we get 65 Rand and 22 cents. Then our second part of it, or second step, is to subtract that from our selling price with VAT. So 500, which is the selling price, minus 65 Rand and 22 cents, and that equals 434 Rand and 78 cents. And so I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching the Key Learning Initiative video on finance, specifically VAT. Please like and share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Also, your comments would be great in the comments section. I hope this has been helpful.